Hey guys, it's Evan again. Today is a day that I'm going to show you my new program that's going to be on my website here July 31st. It's called Simple Shoot. I wanted to show you what it's going to look like, so if you guys want to go to my website and check it out and even get it yourself. It's pretty awesome. I'll show you right here. Oops, too far. Alright, so here it goes. It's called Simple Shoot. It's really version 1.3, but I haven't changed it yet. You can choose two different ways to shoot, and it even comes with a high score list. The half and half is using a function that allows you to display the graph and the home screen at the same time. And the object is to kind of like shoot the little star guys there. And it has an updating miss score right there, the current score you're at. And it also shows the high score. High score is 1 and 2. And if you watch at the corner right there, if you watch right there, watch the number. Once I miss, that's miss 1, that's miss 2, and the score will update too. And if I miss a third time, it's game over. Bam, done. So you can go now into an open shooting game. This is new. It actually plays for a time of play. And it's pretty cool actually because it's brand new and I wanted to show you how it works. Basically it uses a list and it takes the list and it adds to the list for every, like it just continuously adds. And I made it so it adds it to a certain number, and when it gets to that certain number it's already been like 10 seconds and stuff like that. So here's what it goes like. It's pretty cool. You don't get any points deducted for missing, and you don't get to see your score, but after about 10 to 20 seconds you will see your score. There you go. Game over, high score 6. And included in all of this is a high score list, which I think is pretty cool. So you've got the half and half side and the open shooting side, and it actually shows your high score. So like my high score for 10 seconds for level 1 is 8, and then 22, and then 38. It's pretty cool, I think. And then you have the high scores over there. If you knew how the code was working, you could change the high scores at any time. But I'm not going to show you how to do that. Well, that's about it for today, but I think I can show you what the code looks like just so you see how long. I'll show you how big it is first. So my game right here, DIY game, it's what I named it. It has 1,744 bytes of info, of lines of code. And that's pretty big considering the snake game I have is about 1,104, but this one right here, triangle, it'll find the sides given the angles of a triangle, or vice versa. Let me show you what the code looks like. So it recalls pick A, and it's going to be on the code on my website, but the thing about that is you can't recall a pick if the person doesn't have a pick on their calculator. So you're gonna have to either delete that, or you have to make yourself a little menu. Not a menu, a title screen for it. So here's the menu, and then it does all this right here, this whole area right here, all of this right here. This is all the label for the high score option on the menu. And now we're into starting with label 2 up the top. Now we're starting with the half and half version of the game, and it just goes through here and everything, and it uses the get key function. And then see there's a score, I think. Yeah, that's the miss. That's a miss. And if the miss number equals 3, then goes to 7, and then that's where it ends the game and stuff. Basically, it's pretty cool, and it'll take a while to actually make for yourself, but you don't have to have, like, if you wanted to write this yourself, you wouldn't have to write the whole thing because it's 3 different parts to it. You can just write the half and half part of the game, which I can show you how to if you contact me on my email, ticalc help@live.com. or you can just write the whole thing yourself, but hey, it's up to you. Well, that's pretty much it. If you guys wanted to know more about it, or just wanted to actually get the code, you can go to my website at ticalc.yolasite, YOLASITE.com, and then click on my new programs, free programs, and then it's under there, but I haven't made the link yet. So if you want to find out when it's coming out, just go to my news tab and then go to one of the widgets. It'll tell you how many days and minutes and hours and seconds are remaining for my release of Simple Shoot. Thanks, guys.